Do you think trade secrets will become more popular for AI tech because they're so hard to reverse engineer? My startup is relying exclusively on trade secrets. AI for tech, for patent searching. Okay, nice. Well, you're exactly right. You're exactly right. That is the test that I talk with clients about when they're weighing whether to protect with a patent or keep it as a trade secret, is if once you commercialize, okay, whatever product, what that looks like in the customer's hands, from their vantage, even if they're as smart as you, could they reverse engineer it, right? Could they break it apart and figure out how you delivered that service, that product? And if you think that they might be able to, or for sure can, then you want to protect it with a patent. But if you're certain that there's absolutely zero chance that you're going to be able to reverse engineer it, then you can keep it as a trade secret. Now, when you do that, you take a risk that another company or individual comes forward and files an application and gets a patent on that, on how to go about it, right? How to do what you're doing on your trade secret. By that publication and the granting of a patent to someone else, you have lost the ability to protect or to say, enforce your trade secret against anyone that would misappropriate. So that's a risk, okay? That if you know about it and your company was able to come up with it, your engineers, your technicians, your scientists, it's possible that some other company is doing the same thing. And maybe they've decided to pull the trigger and publish it and get a patent on it before you do. So waiting on your laurels does come with some risk. And on your laurels, I say that lightly, but that's really the policy reason for patents, is so that you don't have companies hiding their secrets, creating pseudo monopolies. We want to instead incentivize innovation to be published, for you to share, what you're doing with your AI startup, so that we can all become smarter. We can all create, move the technology forward faster. So that's the policy reason for patenting. But I do hear your hesitation. I think it's just going to be something you should review every 6 months, maybe every year, with your patent attorney or attorney team, to make sure that it's maybe now's the time to file something or a component of this that is now going to be more likely for someone else to patent it. Great question, though.